We'll just draw your focus to the Dadri lynching case. There has been some drama outside the house of victim Mohammad Akhlaq in Dadri. It's believed his family has alleged that the SDM had come over to their place and has told them not to speak against the government. That's the latest bit of news that we're just getting. The family instead came out and did speak to the media. In fact, they said that the SDM have come and have cautioned them and have asked them not to speak anything against the government. Okay, let's go straight to our correspondent Anindo, who has been tracking all the developments from Dadri and outside the residence of Mohammad Akhlaq. Anindo, just tell us what exactly happened.
Well, Avantika, to be precise, after Mahesh Sharma's visit, he went to the temple and then after that he left. And we were actually thinking about our next course of action, that what should be done about the story. And then suddenly we saw some commotion around the area, and we inquired, and by that time one local news channel was with his camera crew, who was a bit late. He was recording that time, and that's why the entire matter was recorded. While the SDM came and allegedly threatened, saying that don't give any sound bites or statements that can be considered anti-government, particularly anti-UP government, and that's where the problem lies. Then the word soon spread, and all the media crew just questioned him. We also ran behind him and just put our mics on his face and asking him that why did you make such a statement, if at all, and do you think that you are under pressure from the government itself? He refused to answer any questions, and he was rescued by his team, his police officers, his PSOs, and he shoved us, he manhandled in a way to a few of the camera persons and left the area.
No, Anindo, do we have, does that channel, or is there any, evidence to corroborate those claims that have been made by the family members? Is there any proof, to validate that this claim that the SDM came and threatened the family members not to speak against the government?
Well, Avantika, as of now, no, because the point they were recording was somehow different from in the house where the SDM came and allegedly made that threat, and that's why it wasn't recorded. Soon they panned the camera towards him, we are told, and then he just made a U-turn and changed the topic, realizing that he is being recorded. By that time, no other camera person or news channel was there, because we already did whatever we had to in that area with his family members. So there's no documentary evidence or visual suggestions to prove that he made indeed that statement. But yes, we have been told by at least 3 sources: one by the channel cameraman,
Anindo,
one by the
I'll have to just interrupt you there. I'll just interrupt you for a bit. Let's just play out that entire sequence of events as to what exactly happened.
मीडिया के सामने सर, अभी आपने कहा कि अगर आप कुछ बोलेंगे तो सुनना पड़ेगा। भाई साहब, मैं बता रहा हूँ, अभी आपने कहा कि अगर फैमिली के बारे में नहीं बोलेगा तो आपको भुगतना पड़ेगा। आगे धमकी दे रहा था कि अगर बोलोगे तो सर धमकी दे रहा था। आप इनसे पूछिए, मीडिया वाले इनसे पूछिए, मीडिया वाले पूछिए, इनसे पूछिए। ये एसडीएम भाग रहे हैं, आपने क्यों भाग रहे हैं? आप भाग क्यों रहे हैं? आपने धमकी क्या दी है? धमकी दी है, आपको परिवार को धमकी दी, क्या दी? धमकी दी है। कहाँ मेरे ऊपर गाड़ी क्यों? नहीं, आप कैसे हटा रहे हैं? कैसे हटा रहे हैं? स्टेटमेंट है।
यहाँ पर संजय दादरी के एसडीएम यहाँ पर पहुंचे और इन लोगों का ये कहना है कि इन्होंने यहाँ पर धमकी दी कि अगर सरकार के खिलाफ कुछ भी कहा तो फिर इनको खामियाजा भुगतना पड़ेगा और इस पर इनका घेराव किया गया है। यहाँ पर एसडीएम का घेराव यहाँ पर किया गया
पता नाम नहीं बताया, हम लोगों ने पूछा नाम नहीं बताया।
क्या बोले?
ये बोला कि परिवार को बोला कि तुम लोग भुगतोगे, तुम लोग ऐसे बयान दोगे, तुम लोग भुगतोगे।
ये एसडीएम है,
इनके सामने।
लेकिन इस वक्त जो लोग हैं वो एसडीएम को रोक रहे हैं, एसडीएम का घेराव किया हुआ है। सर, इस पर आपको कुछ कहना है? इस पर आपको कुछ कहना है सर? यहाँ पर लोग नारेबाजी कर रहे हैं, एसडीएम इस वक्त गाड़ी के अंदर है, इनको यहाँ से इन लोगों ने रोका और इनका ये कहना है कि सर क्या है पूरा मसला, लोग के पास क्या है पूरा मसला। देखिए इस वक्त बात करने की हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं दूसरी तरफ, लेकिन कोई जवाब यहाँ पर नहीं मिल रहा है। लोगों का ये कहना है, जो लोकल लोग हैं उनका ये कहना है, जो परिवार के पास लोग बैठे हुए थे, कि एसडीएम का ये कहना था कि अगर आपने सरकार के खिलाफ कुछ कहा तो इसका खामियाजा भुगतना पड़ेगा, जिससे लोग गुस्साए हुए और एसडीएम का घेराव यहाँ पर कर रहे हैं। और इस पूरे मसले पर जहाँ एक तरफ कई नेता यहाँ पहुँच रहे हैं, वहीं इस मामले ने इसको थोड़ा सा टूल जरूर दे दिया है, क्योंकि इस वक्त एसडीएम को यहाँ पर रोका हुआ है। कैमरा पर्सन संजय खान के साथ रजत सिंह, दादरी, आज तक। सब लोग
Okay, so we just saw a lot of chaos and disorder there outside the residence of Mohammed Akhlaq. Remember, since morning we have been taking you through all the developments and updates. There have been, a flurry of activity outside the residence, with several politicians making a visit and expressing condolences. And the mayhem that we're seeing was as a result of the visit that was made by the SDM, and there was news that he has allegedly gone inside the house of Mohammed Akhlaq and has threatened the family members not to say a word to the media, not to speak against the government. And what followed was absolute bedlam. There was a lot of ruckus outside, reporters trying to get a reaction from the SDM, who refused to speak to the reporters. Anindo Banerjee joins us. In fact, he was present there on location. Anindo, I just want to understand this from you. I could hear voices from behind saying that the SDM has threatened the family members. Who were these people who were making this accusation against the SDM? Are they the family members of Mohammed Akhlaq who were sitting inside the house when the SDM paid a visit?
No, what we went on air is basically visuals of the media chasing him and trying to get a word from him, because these are very serious allegations against an SDM who is holding an office and threatening, in fact, who rather should be protecting. I have one of my colleague Rajat here, who actually was trying also to show his mic and trying to get a reaction. Rajat, what was the reaction from the SDM you got?
When we asked SDM what these people are saying is right, so he said, I don't have to say anything. I'm not saying anything like this. They are just following me. I'm not saying anything. He was denying.
He said that I am not supposed to answer.
I'm not supposed to answer this time. I will answer later, but right now let me go from here. That's it.
So there you have it very clearly, a very arrogant, a very probably not a evasive way of the SDM. One, he has already committed a crime by threatening in spite of holding an office where he should have been protecting the victim's family. And two, he is evading the questions which are directly linked to his very serious allegation.
I know it is, but we still don't know, who really started shouting those, those chants of the SDM threatening the family members. I could hear voices from behind, Anindo, when we played the sequence of events of somebody shouting ki inhone dhamki diya hai parivar walon ko. Can you just ask, Rajat, who were these people who were saying and making these allegations against the SDM? It can't be the reporters, but because the reporters were running to the SDM for a reaction. But who were those people who were making those voices from behind?
True. Rajat, when you were chasing and trying to get a word from the SDM, a lot of voices were heard in the, that he has made this threat. He said that you can't make anti-government. Who was the voices for?
There are few journalists, local journalists were there. That particular guy was saying that I'm asking you this, you have to answer this, because
family members.
There were people who were saying they are family members, but there's no particular identity is disclosed right now, because there were several people who were saying that we are from the family and we are saying that he was saying all this. He's threatening us about all this issue, and he's saying you don't have to say anything about against the government in this. But we have to check the identity of those people, whether they are the closest family members or they are just the people who visited the family.
So there you have it from Rajat saying that those identities needs to be ascertained first. But if indeed it's true, it's a very serious allegation.
Okay, just stay with me, Anando. Let's get in some reactions. We're just getting a reaction there from R.K. Singh on this particular incident. Let's just hear him out once. The Union Home Secretary R.K. Singh.
भड़क गए, आप परिवार से मिलने पहुंचे थे, क्या बातचीत हुई थी आपकी?
नहीं, मैं तो गांव में ही लॉ एंड ऑर्डर के लिए गांव में ही हूँ और परिवार के लोग हमारे साथ हैं। परिवार के उसमें गांव के लोग कोई नहीं थे, कोई एक बाहर का व्यक्ति था जो अनावश्यक चिल्लाने लगा, और जबकि वहां पर कोई ऐसी बात नहीं हुई। परिवार के लोग लगातार हमारे साथ हैं। पुलिस प्रशासन गाँव में उनकी सुरक्षा के लिए और आसपास के लॉ एंड ऑर्डर के लिए वहाँ पर उपलब्ध है। हम भी क्षेत्र के SDM होने के नाते वहाँ पर उपलब्ध हैं।
जी, आप वहां पर लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की सिचुएशन देखने के लिए थे, लेकिन ऐसा क्या हुआ कि जो लोग थे वो वहां पर भड़क गए? हम तस्वीरों में देख सकते हैं, आपसे भी कुछ सवाल जवाब किए जा रहे थे।
जी, एक व्यक्ति था, वो पता नहीं क्यों भड़क गया, वो मुझे नहीं स्पष्ट हुआ, और वो चिल्लाने भी लगा। उसकी चिल्लाहट देख करके और सब लोग, मीडिया के वहां पे लोग थे, उनको लगा कि कोई ऐसी बात हो गई और लोग सवाल जवाब करने लगे। मैंने बताया भी कि कोई ऐसी बात नहीं है, ये जो व्यक्ति है इसको हम पहचानते भी नहीं कौन सा व्यक्ति है और क्या बात कह रहा है, परंतु उसने लोगों को, मीडिया के लोगों को भड़का सा दिया वहां पे। जी,
लेकिन आरोप ये लग रहा है सिंह साहब कि आपने जो परिवार के लोग हैं उनसे ये कहा कि सरकार के खिलाफ आपको कुछ नहीं बोलना है, ये वहां से बात निकल करके सामने आ रही है। ऐसा कुछ हुआ था क्या? बातचीत क्या हुई थी आपकी परिवार से?
ऐसा नहीं, परिवार से हमारी कोई बातचीत नहीं। मैं तो वहाँ उपस्थित हूँ, मजिस्ट्रेट ड्यूटी के रूप में वहाँ हूँ, और जो लोग आ जा रहे हैं, अगर हमसे कुछ बात करना चाहते हैं, कुछ बात कर रहे हैं, तो मैं वो बात कर रहा हूं उनके साथ। कोई भी ऐसी बात नहीं है जो किसी के अगेंस्ट हो।
जी,
थैंक यू।
Okay, so that was the SDM R.K. Singh, that who was speaking to my colleague from our sister channel Aaj Tak a short while back, where he has cleared the air and he's denied allegations that has been made against him by the people there on the spot outside the residence of Mohammed Akhlaq, saying that the SDM, Mr. R.K. Singh, went to the residence and threatened the family members not to make any statements against the government. So that was R.K. Singh, the SDM, who was clarifying, these rumors and allegations. He was speaking to my colleague, on our sister channel Aaj Tak. But let's just play the entire sequence of events. What exactly happened? Why was there absolute mayhem and disorder outside the residence when the SDM, Mr. R.K. Singh, went to meet the family members of Mohammed Akhlaq? Mohammed Akhlaq is the 50-year-old man who was lynched to death by a mob.
धमकी दे रहे हैं।